Okay, guys, just like I have been saying, the trend trading strategy is one of the best strategy whenever you are trading. Okay, I gave out a few signals yesterday, and I'm going to share with you the result or the outcome of the signals, and we're going to see how I came up with the signals and how we were able to milk the market together right here in the video. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay. And if you have any personal question, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay. Using my WhatsApp number. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, yesterday within the Telegram channel, I actually posted this signal. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I came about this signal. This is 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and this is Ganex 1200. This actually got to the resistance zone at this point. I've been following up with this particular asset for a while. I knew when it started from the support region, and we milked it till it got to this resistance zone, and I realized that it was unable to break out from there. Okay, actually it got to the resistance zone in the night, and of course in the middle of the night it started selling, and yesterday morning I was able to check it and do my analysis right from there. So I gave us our entry point, and I gave us about 40 P's with a stop loss. Like I have always been saying, okay, each time you are placing your order, make sure you do your analysis very well. Make sure you identify the right trends to trade, and make sure you know if the market is coming from the resistance zone or the support zone. Okay, in this situation, it is coming from the resistance zone and it is going on downtrend. And as you can see, this the indicator also gave me an instruction that the market is already on downtrend, and there are so many sell order around there which you can follow if you are having the indicator. Okay, but for the purpose of those that are not having the trading tool, I mean the indicator, I have been posting signals on the Telegram channel, and I use my videos also to give you some signals. For those that have not been watching my videos, you are also missing out. Okay, so because not all the signals I post directly on the Telegram channel. Okay, so quickly, yeah, if you should notice, I gave us um four TPs, an entry point, and of course a stop loss. Okay, most of you will not put into consideration the stop loss. The stop loss is always very important, so I always add it to it. Okay, and of course this achieved the first TP, the second TP, and it has also achieved the third TP, but it didn't get to the fourth TP. Okay, before it pulls back, and of course it changed the direction of the trend from a downtrend into an uptrend. Like I've always been telling you, okay, this can happen anytime, and this time around it got to the stop loss. Okay, I don't expect anyone to come to my DM or probably under this video and make a nasty comment that, okay, the signals hit the stop loss, because that is not reasonable to me. If you entered around it, this is 15-minute time frame, and it achieved the first TP, I believe you should have closed at that point if that is all you want to achieve. And it achieved the second TP. Even if you want to earn more, okay, you can always adjust your stop loss to lock up some parts of the profit in case the market is going to misbehave. Okay, so don't just come to the comment section and tell me that it didn't get to the TPs. It achieved the first TP. You can as well close your trade at that point if you are cool with that. Okay, it achieved the second TP. You can also as well close your trade at that point if you are cool with that. And if you feel you still want to earn more, use your stop loss to lock up some part of your profit in order for you to earn more. And it also achieved the third TP. It is only the fourth TP that it didn't achieve. Okay, So you should also apply wisdom whenever you are trading. You are getting the signal from me for free, and of course you should be able to manage your trading activities very well, not just allow it to play the way you like. I mean, the way the market is going. Okay, you don't have the full control over the market. I don't have the full control over the market, but I have done my I have given out my signals based on the analysis I have done. Okay, so that is it. So you can see 3 TPs achieved, just the fourth one was not achieved. So this is huge profit for us because this is on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to this also. This also came on downtrend, and after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend and it is still buying at the moment. So this is the benefit of you trading the trend. This is still 15-minute time frame for GainX 999. Okay, gave us a downtrend signal around here. That is why you guys just need to get a good indicator that can help you to identify the trends. Okay, just like this one that I am having right here. Okay, so it gave us a downtrend signal around here, and it is coming from resistance zone. All you just need to do is just to jump into the trade, set your order, and of course set your stop loss. And I'll also set up your TPs, and of course you will achieve it all. Okay, so you can see right from here to this very moment is so huge, and of course that's a lot of profit because this is 15-minute time frame. And after getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out below this support zone. And as you can see, because it's unable to break out from here, it gave us an uptrend signal at this point. Okay, and of course you can see the buy signal right here. Check it out. It has been buying since then. If you have been looking for a way to trade the spikes, not catch the spike, because I don't catch spikes, I only trade spikes. Okay, if you have been looking for that, check it out. Which one is far better? Okay, this is 15 minutes time frame, and you have been trading the spike right from here till this very moment. Isn't that amazing, guys? So learn these skills, and of course you will also get it right if you practice very well with it. Okay, now let's look at the last asset. Which happened to this Paynex 999. Paynex 999, I didn't give the signal in the Telegram channel, but I analyzed it in my video, the video I posted yesterday night. I know most of you don't watch my videos, okay? But the videos I posted yesterday night, if you had watched it, you would have seen this signal right there. Okay, just that I didn't post it directly on the Telegram channel, but the signals were there in the videos. Check it out. This started a downtrend right from here, and of course, it started selling. But just because this had been on a very strong uptrend, it was difficult for me to say if it's going to go on a downtrend fully or not. Okay, so in order for us to be sure, we needed to break out from this particular trend line. That is why I put the trend line there, that once it breaks out from there, then it should start selling. Okay, so you can see the entry points was there, and this is the first TP, second TP, third TP, and even the fourth TP. It has achieved every one of the TPs. Okay, so that's so amazing. And these are spikes. Okay, these are spikes in Paynex 999. That is why I said if you learn how to trade using the trend trading strategy, then you will be able to milk, or you are most likely to be milking the market all the time. Okay, just learn all these things and you will get it right. Now, a quick recap about today's video. So, for you to trade successfully, or for you to have successful trading activities, there are few things you need to put in place. Okay, the first one is to learn to identify your trend. Okay, either it is an uptrend or downtrend, or probably it is changing from uptrend to downtrend, or from downtrend to uptrend. Okay, so once you are able to identify that, then it gives you a clear picture of what you are supposed to do. Okay, then the next thing you need to identify is the support and resistance zone. Is it coming from the resistance zone, or probably it is coming from the support region? That is if it does not break out from any of those. Okay, and of course the next thing is to know if um is to know your entry point, rather. The next thing is to know your entry point. Set your entry point. After setting your entry point, make sure you use a proper risk management setup. Okay, make sure you use a proper risk management setup. That is, you should set up your stop loss. Okay, And of course, if you are trading and you're already in profit, okay, let's say your profit is huge and you still feel that the market will still go more than that, okay, adjust your stop loss in such a way that it will lock up some part of the profits you have made already. And of course, while you expose a little part of it, about 20% of it, into the market in order for you to see if you can still make more within the market. Just in case the market decide to misbehave, it will hit your stop loss and close your trade for you. And at that point, the profits which you have locked up with your stop loss will go straight to your balance. And in that situation, you have nothing to lose because your profit, you still made some profit and the profit has actually gone back to your balance. Okay, so that is it. It is as easy as that. I believe you've learned a few things from here. Okay, so if you have any other question, can you drop your question down there in the comment section? I will be there to reply you. And if you want to reach out to me personally, you can contact me via WhatsApp. Okay, I will be there also to reply you. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.